Okay. This is how you try my Google Action. It was just approved today. So if you don't have this icon on your phone already, the Google Assistant, then you can always go to Google Play and download it. You click on Play Store and you can either type it in, but I like to use a microphone, so tap the microphone. Google Action Assistant. And it'll come up with it. It's this one right here. If you don't have it, just tap on it and it'll ask you to install it, but I already have it. So back to this screen here, to your home screen, which you can do by hitting that button. But just tap it here, and then once you tap it, you're going to open up, it's called Florida Driving Test. And the way you open them, you have to tell your Google Assistant to talk to this action. So here we go. Talk to Florida Driving Test.
What a nice surprise. You came back to Florida driving license practice. Let's get the ball rolling. Okay, here's your first one. What is the name of a turn to turn around in small spaces?
3-point turn.
I'm impressed. Great job. Never make a 3-point turn or a U-turn on a curve, a hill, the highway, or where there is a sign that prohibits U-turns. And now, can you cross a solid white line?
Yes.
You did it. You may travel in the same direction on both sides of this line, but do not cross the line unless you must do so to avoid a
And that's
hazard.
my game.
Here's
So
another.
try it out.
What
Try it
color of
out,
the street light
please.
allows you to continue driving?